Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a super handy tip for all you Firestick users out there. If you've ever wondered how to access the developer options on your Amazon Fire Stick, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Fire Stick is powered on and you're on the home screen. Grab your remote and follow along with these steps. Step 1. Navigate to Settings. Using your remote, navigate to the top menu and scroll all the way to the right to find the Settings option. Step 2. Go to My Fire TV. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and select My Fire TV. Step 3. Access About. Next, click on About. Step 4. Unlock developer options. Now, this is the important part. Scroll down to the name of your Fire Stick device and click on it 7 times. You'll see a countdown message that says, "You are X steps away from being a developer." Keep clicking until it says, "No need, you are already a developer." Step 5. Access developer options. Now that you've unlocked developer mode, go back to the previous menu. You will now see a new option called Developer Options. Select it, Conclusion, and there you have it. You can now access various settings like ADB debugging and installing apps from unknown sources, which are essential for developers or advanced users. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.